Hello class, this is Jessica Beck and this is my presentation regarding my maps. I chose to map out the journeys of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. and the events that took place during the course of his lifetime. I thought it would be appropriate because in the schools we do have this day off, so I thought perhaps presenting this to maybe second or third graders, they could gain a better understanding of the life of Dr. Martin Luther King. So from birth to death is where I started, and we look at Atlanta, Georgia, which was, of course, the place of his birth on January 15th, 1929. Then in February 25th, 1948, he became assistant pastor at Ebenezer Baptist Church, which is also located in Atlanta, Georgia. From there, he went on to Morehouse College, which was also in Atlanta, Georgia, and graduated from there on June 8th of 1948. In Marion, Alabama, he was married and chose his bride to be Coretta Scott on June 18th, 1953. In Montgomery, Alabama, which is not too far, he became a pastor at a Baptist church on September 1st of 1954. He then went on to Boston University, which was quite some distance, or not so much quite so distance, but in Massachusetts, and he received his PhD on June 5th of 1955, hence the reason we call him Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. And then back in Montgomery, in December 5th of 1955, he led the boycott of the Montgomery, Alabama bus system. And as we all know, the famous speech that took place in Washington, D.C., as we can see on the map, on August 28th, 1963, he gave his I Have a Dream speech. From there, in Selma, Alabama, he led the Voting Rights March on March 21st of 1965. And as we all know, in Memphis, Tennessee, he was assassinated April 4th of 1968. Thank you for watching.